What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the journey. I got another day trading video for you guys. This is the morning of July 24th. Again, I'm trading on the ES chart, 2000 tick, and yeah. So let's get into it. This is what the market looked like before I got on. Let's see. I'm gonna slow it down. This is what it ended off on Friday, and this is the overall structure of it so far. As you can see, it's a lot of kind of indecision, kind of going up, kind of going down, and then just kind of into a range itself. But today, this morning, kind of opened up in a sort of bullish, looks like a bullish trend. So that was what I was assuming the entire time, and that's what I was working with. So yeah, lining up to be kind of a good day in my opinion, but as you'll see, we'll see how that went exactly. So yeah, let's get into it here. As you can see, I like this move going up the top right here. Sorry for the background noise. There's a lot of construction going on, but as you can see, there's a second entry I thought was forming right here. I already got my first entry there, and then we're right on the EMA. It did shoot down pretty low, so I was kind of worried, but I was waiting maybe I can get a signal bar that broke above the EMA, and I would take that. And eventually I did get that, and I entered the trade. And you know, when you're looking for that second entry, you want a good signal bar like that, kind of right at the EMA. I was like, all right, this is it. So I entered right there, brought it up, try to get a tick above, move my runner up, hit my 4 ticks, and then I just pulled my runner all the way up. Unfortunately, though, I did not get anything on my runner because I was stupid, greedy, you know. That's what happens when you're greedy. You miss out on money. I could have had an extra $200, but you know what? Stuff happens. I didn't move my stop loss up. That's one of the things I need to work on, is moving my stops up, because I miss out on some extra cash. I just get too greedy because I'm like, oh, I want to see it, and I just don't move it up. If I just move it up $100, I would have just profited $100, even at the what's it called? 200. If it went down from 200, it would have made an extra $100. But overall, that trade netted me about $500. So it was a good trade to take. As you can see, there's a trend. I put that trend line right there, and then there's a trend line inside that trend line, and that's when it caused the break, and then you expect a new high, and that's what we got right there towards the top. I was honestly kind of surprised that I didn't hit my stop all the way up and continue rising up, but at the same time, you know, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? You can't really tell the market what to do. The market's gonna do what it wants. One of the reasons why I did kind of have this volatility is because there's a news item that dropped. That's why it's not really recommended to take trades in the morning time right when the market opens, because it's a lot of volatility, and news items are most likely to happen in the beginning, in the morning, because it's just how it works, I guess. But yeah, so I ended up stopping out, breaking even on that runner contract. Not losing, not getting any money, but you know, just take that as a lesson: is not be greedy, and to always pull your stop loss up once you have a good point that you wanna get. Because if I just had it on 100, I'd had another $100, or even at 150. So that's what I'm gonna start doing. I'm probably gonna do like increments of 50. If it hits 50, then I'm just gonna at least put my stop up to 50, just in case the runner decides to come back down. I'll have it at 50, and I'm at least profit something. And every $50 from there, I'll just sheesh it out. From there, the market kind of went down. I did see this setup of a. Oh no, that's kind of later on. Oh no, right there, I marked it. Yeah, second entry short, right there. You could have taken that. It would have been nice. Had a little triple test, and from there, just kind of shot all the way down. I thought about taking it, and I kind of kicked myself because it was a triple test, second entry short, right off the EMA. It would have been a beautiful trade. I don't know why. I had some puss action. I just didn't do it. But that would have been a good trade to take as well if you did. I'm sure a lot of people did. But yeah, that was a missed opportunity for me. But you know, sometimes you're patient and you end up seeing that it's like, oh, that's a good trade. But sometimes you just gotta pull the trigger. That's what I gotta work on. It's taking action when I know I'm right. The thing that really scared me though is that it was congested, but at the same time, like, it was a nice point right off the EMA, and that would have been a good trade and would have scalped out. But yeah, as the market continued going and kind of had some of these points of congestion from here on in the morning. Again, I was only trading in the morning time frame, so from 3:30 to about 5 o'clock Hawaiian time. So that's probably like 8 to 8:30 to like, what is it, 10 almost, in on East Coast time, something like that. But yeah, it really didn't do much. I didn't really see anything after that. After that, it kind of just got congested, and nothing really worth taking, in my opinion. But yeah, again, it kind of just got congested right here. I didn't really see anything, and that's the thing with, you just got to keep analyzing and keep going over, keep reviewing the chart, even if you don't see anything, because you learn the patterns of the chart, because there are patterns. There's always going to be patterns. A lot of people say like, oh, the trading is just crazy. Like there's no pattern. There's nothing to it. It's just whatever the market does. Like that could be further from the truth. There are patterns. There are ways of the market. The market usually goes in pairs of two. That's what I've been learning, and that's what you just have to just realize and get good at analyzing. Because if you don't, then you won't know what you're doing. You won't be able to make money. You won't be able to exceed in trading. That's what I've been starting to figure out. I mean, I'm still new, but I've been pretty successful this past couple weeks. I haven't took a loss yet, but hopefully I don't jinx myself there. But we'll see. But yeah, it's been good. It's been a learning experience so far. That's all it is. You just got to keep learning, keep growing, and just don't quit on it. Because eventually, you're gonna start making a profit and become profitable, and then you'll know the market and the conditions. Because there is a way to it, and there is a way to make money. It just takes time, effort, and you just got to put in the work for it, and have the drive to study and learn. But yeah, as you can see, the market just kind of went down, kind of traded back up, kind of staying in having a more bullish side, but kind of in a range, as you can see. But from there on out, it kind of just fizzled out, went really slow, and like you can see, I'm on 9 times speed, and it's slow. 9 times speed, so in real time, it's pretty freaking slow. And that's when I just, I was like, you know what? I didn't see anything. I'm probably gonna head off soon. And that's what I ended up doing, because I didn't really see anything after that. Just a bunch of congestion, and you usually don't like trading in congestion like that. So yeah, if you guys enjoy the video, please leave a like, a comment if you wish, and subscribe to the channel. And look out for the next one, because I'll be trading every day, posting every day. So yeah, and if you haven't, please subscribe, and check out my TikTok for more content. But hope everyone has an awesome day, and has a good trading days, and I'll catch everyone in the next one. Peace.